हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो अभी हम जा रहे हैं लंदन आई एंड यू कैन सी अ मिनी बार इन माय अकोमोडेशन। इजंट इट प्रिटी? तो अभी विल गो टू द लंदन आई बाय अ बस। टिल द टाइम Aditya is riding a scooter. So the transport facility is too good here. It's not even crowded. The frequency is too much, and you can see the architect, the design. It's beautiful.
Die.
So 3, 2, 1. Woo! How's it? So this is the London Eye.
So the London Eye is not to miss a thing when you visit a London, and ये दोनों अपनी मस्ती में busy. And then she finds one ice cream van there and she wanted that, and the weather was good, so we had one of them for her. So to the right of this London Eye is the Millennium Bridge, and to the left is the Big Ben, and in between the river Thames flow in. And अभी हम जाएंगे on the cabins that you see on the London Eye. We still had time actually, so there is a time slot. And ये था एक gift shop, और ये आप देख सकते हैं, it's a giant wheel with the potatoes as a cabin. These are the chips packets.
And this is the gift center.
So लंदन आए और यहाँ से कुछ मेमोरीज के लिए ना ले जाए, इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. सो यू कैन सी एवरीथिंग विद अ टच ऑफ लंदन, मे बी द बिग बैन, द फ्लैग एंड वॉट नॉट. तो बहुत कुछ था वहाँ पर, एंड वी टुक वन ऑफ द मैग्नेट फॉर अस ऑन आवर लंदन ट्रिप. So this is a Big Ben and so many tourists. And there were people dressed up on the roads for the show. So behind we will see Millennium Bridge. So ये Millennium Bridge is basically we have seen in a lot of movies. There was a movie of Salman Khan and Priyanka Chopra, तेनू लेके मैं जाऊँगा, लेके मैं जाऊँगा song, and ये सारे रोड शोज हो रहे थे. तो there you see a Millennium Bridge at the back. मैं भी वहाँ पे जाकर मैंने भी कुछ रील्स बनाई. एंड देन ये रोड शोज एक्चुअली बहुत क्राउडेड था, मतलब आद्या couldn't see anything, so we came back. But you can see the crowd here, and the weather was also good. So there were a lot of eateries as well. वहाँ पे आपको बहुत कुछ मिल जाएंगे खाने को. So this was a frozen yogurt and ice cream, French fries, and especially there was a pink cafe. And जो carnival जैसे होती है ना, वैसे छोटी सी एक rides भी थी horse वाली. So that you can see here. And then we rushed for the cabin ride. So this ride will take us on the top of the London Eye. So there we can have a top view of the city. I was a bit scared कि आद्या डर ना जाए. So let's see how she reacts. ओके, सो अभी हम आ गए कैबिन के अंदर. सो इट इज़ समथिंग लाइक वो इतनी स्लो मूव करते थे, पता ही नहीं चलता कि लाइक वी आर मूविंग, एंड स्लोली विल बी रीचिंग ऑन द टॉप. सो बेसिकली इट वोंट स्टॉप एट एनी टाइम. तो ये चल रही होती है एंड वी हैव टू स्टेप इन. सो जब हम ऊपर गए एंड द व्यू वॉज टू गुड, टू ऑसम, बिकॉज द वेदर इतना अच्छा था कि द क्लैरिटी वॉज सो गुड, एंड यू कैन सी योर कैबिन ऑन टॉप. सो विल बी रीच. So there you'll see a Uber boat and yacht flowing in the river Thames, and this is a Big Ben. So अभी हम क्या करेंगे, बेसिकली इन फ्रंट व्यू लेंगे, आई मीन सामने से, एंड हियर वी आर टेकिंग अ टॉप व्यू. सो लाइक ऊपर से लंदन सिटी दिखती कैसी है. So that you can see here, and the London bus, the red ones that you see, and the architecture is so good. It looks amazing from the top. So you can see there were so many bridges on top of the river Thames. So from here you can see the railways, waterways, airways, roadways, everything from the top. It looks beautiful. So now we were at the top and you can see the view from there. It was an amazing experience. And see what Adya is doing. She's actually enjoying her juice and fruit. She's least bothered about the view. There you see an aeroplane flying. So we see all the four means of transport. तो ये बस भी है, कार भी है, train भी. I showed you the train, airways, waterways, everything. Miniature people. And there you see a camera while coming out down. So ये हमारी pictures click करती है and we can take it when we are going out. So that is a paid one. So say cheese. And then finally we came down. It was really a good experience, and the London Eye was good experience. And then here is a Big Ben, so we'll click some pictures and then we'll go for a boat ride. And there you see a pink e-rickshaw riding in the roads of London. So there were so many pink rickshaws that we have seen. And street food ke naam pe like they were selling some sausages and fried onions. The smell was not good. Sorry, so we didn't try that. So you can see the stalls and the London bus, a Big Ben, London Eye, River Thames, and also there was a sea life aquarium. We did not go there, so अभी हम जाएंगे boat ride के लिए. So Adya was really excited for this because she likes water too much. So उसको boat ride बहुत पसंद है करना. You can see how fast she is running. So the river cruise is having a two sitting area, one at the open one, the top one, and there was a below also the sitting area. So we preferred sitting on the top as the weather was good, so the view is also good there. And then comes in the boat guide, the handsome one who was actually explaining about all the the buildings and the monuments that we see here, and about the history about that. Isn't it cute? So the guide was explaining us about what all monuments and the buildings that we see and a bit of the history about it. So you can see the crowd, the excited people, and all the bridges that we see on top of this river Thames. So some of them were green, some of them were pink. So they especially have a name by for themselves. So he was explaining us about all the buildings that we see on our left and the right, everything. So here you see the London Eye and the Big Ben and the bridges, and we see all the famous monuments here. And Adya is standing in front. She's just looking into the water, enjoying. And here comes the green bridge, and then you see a pink bridge. And this is the St. Paul's Cathedral, which is a really famous one. And then you see a tower bridge. So be mindful, like this is a tower bridge and not a London bridge. So there you see one of the sailing boat, which was sold for just £1 as told by our boat guide. So this is an abandoned one, but it was sold out at that time only for £1. And isn't the tower bridge looking beautiful? So this tower bridge basically opens up in between whenever there is a big ship or cruise coming up. See the view, it's so good. So this is the opening point. So it opens ideally 1 or 2 times in a day whenever there is a big ship or the cruise coming up. Now she's sitting with us. Wow. And this is a London bridge. And that was the Tower Bridge. So this ride is basically around 40 to 50 minutes and you actually get a good glance of it. So अभी हमने ऊपर से देखा था from the cabin all this view, and then we are having a glance from the cruise itself. It was really an amazing experience.
We are back on the land, and it was such an amazing experience. You can see the crowd.
सो अब हम बहुत टायर्ड हो चुके थे, सो वी थॉट ऑफ गोइंग बैक, ऑल्दो द टाइम वॉज स्टिल देयर, ये शाम के 7 बज रहे थे, तो वी थॉट ऑफ गोइंग बैक एंड टेकिंग सम रेस्ट। फाइनली वी केम रूम। उसके बाद हमने सोचा फिर थोड़ा रेस्ट करते हैं एंड देन विल गो फॉर डिनर। सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे। Hope you like it. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.